Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.66 trillion. We're down 3.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours, due to the fact that Bitcoin went below $40,000. You guys know how crucial that level is, but right now we're still above $38,300 mark. So far, so good. But we need to be looking at Bitcoin charts very closely along with BTC dominance to know what is going to happen for altcoins in the immediate short term. As you guys may know, altcoins are not outpacing Bitcoin right now, and that is due to the fact that BTC dominance is on the rise, but there are some altcoins, very handful altcoins that are outpacing Bitcoin, such as AMP. We have Shiba Inu, and today the video that I am making is on Chiliz, and that's also one of the projects that is outpacing Bitcoin as of now. So let's get right into Chiliz, guys. Alright, so if we're looking at Chili's price right now, we are trading at 34.1 cents. We're up 7.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 12% in BTC comparative and also 13.8% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. Chili's current market cap Chili's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 57 spot. Market cap right now is $1.83 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $1.178 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Chiliz, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 2,770%, and in just the last 7 days, we're up 45.6%. So if you don't know what's going on, there was some very interesting news that has come out for Chiliz, and that was yesterday. And that Coinbase Pro came out and tweeted that inbound transfers for Chiliz, Keep, and Ship are now available in the region where trading is supported. Traders cannot place orders, and no orders will be filled. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. PT on Thursday, which is the 17th of June, if liquidity conditions are met. So as you guys can see, Coinbase came out and made an announcement that they will be listing Chiliz tomorrow on their platform, and this is a very big move for Chiliz. If you guys don't know, Coinbase by far is the biggest exchange in the world. Yes, a lot of people say Binance is the biggest exchange, but that is for the people that are already in the markets. Coinbase is huge, guys. It recently went public, and it is a fiat gateway for crypto. So majority of the money, when we do see new money tend to flow from retail investors, the first thing they do is come to Coinbase, and it's very easy for them to buy rather than transferring from one exchange to one another. That's why listing it on Coinbase is a very huge news, and that's what we do tend to see this Coinbase effect come in play. Whenever a project does get listed on Coinbase, it has a very positive outcome. Price does tend to go towards the upside quite significantly. And we are already starting to see that right now for Chiliz, guys. So I am going to come and make a price prediction as to what can happen tomorrow when we do get listed. I will share my personal opinions, and we will go by some historic patterns, such as some other altcoins that were recently updated, and we could come up with a conclusion as to what possibly could happen for Chiliz in the immediate short term. In just the last 7 days, we're up 45.6%, guys. So you guys are starting to get the picture as to what exactly is going on with Chiliz. So looking at the charts right now, guys, we are, let me bring out the, let me zoom out and bring out the Fibonacci retracement level right away for you guys so we can get a better understanding as to what exactly is going on with Chiliz. All right, so yeah, now let's zoom in right off the bat for you guys. So one thing I want to point out for you guys is, since this initial drop that we did see back on May 19th, almost a month ago, when we did see Bitcoin price go towards the downside, we went below this level of support at this 23.2 cents. We wicked down towards the downside. We had a fake out. We had a double bottom once again, but originally, guys, obviously these wicks do not last very long, but originally this level of support has been playing out a very strong for Chiliz over the last 1 month, as you guys can see, around this 23 cents mark. And since then, guys, just a couple days ago, we were trading around here on this level of support, and since then we have seen Chiliz have a pull towards the upside. As of recording this video, we are up 48.37%. Obviously, the Coinbase news has come out just yesterday around here. Since then, we did go above this level of resistance, and that was a 30% move towards the upside. But since then, we have gone below this level of resistance, and we are trying to go towards the upside. So now comes the question: what could be happening for Chiliz in the immediate short term? Obviously, we do need to be monitoring a Bitcoin situation right now, but as I have mentioned in the earlier in this video, that when we are seeing Coinbase listing, and Bitcoin price does not matter much from historic patterns, and I will get into exactly why, because there's so much hype, because Coinbase listing is such a big announcement, big milestone, that hype does tend to play out a lot for projects. And let me share one project with you guys, and that is AMP. Let's go back onto CoinGecko for you guys, and we can get a better picture as to what exactly is going on, and you guys can get a better picture. So we need to go find AMP for you guys. I'm sorry, there we go. We have AMP pulled up for you guys. So as you guys can see, the reason I'm sharing AMP with you guys is so we can get a better picture as to what is going on. So AMP recently on June 8th was the announcement when Coinbase came out and said they will be listing AMP on their platform. It is up 20.9% in just the last 24 hours. But if we go out and zoom out, in just the last 7 days, AMP has pulled 111.5% move towards the upside. And guys, the last 7 days ago, Bitcoin price was still towards the downside. So this is why I am saying the Coinbase news is very, very bullish. And what could possibly happen for Chiliz, we can come and project that, but again, this is just a price prediction, and only time will tell what is going to happen. But we will go with AMP and what happened. So if we're going on AMP's charts right now, guys, as you guys can see, the announcement originally came on June 8th. So let's go on June 8th. So right here, guys, you guys can see the announcement came out around here, and we do bring out the measuring tool. We could see AMP pulled 2x, guys, 2x since the announcement of as you guys can see, of the Coinbase listing, 2x. And this is where the announcement was made for AMP being listed on Coinbase. I am not saying that this is exactly what's going to happen with Chiliz, but it's not out of the books considering how solid of a project Chiliz really is. So let's get back into AMP, and I want to share one thing with you guys that you guys might find very interesting. So as you guys can see, if we go back onto the 14 days thing and go on market cap, you guys can see, let's get rid of this ad over here. So June 8th, where is that? Right here, guys. So June 8th, market cap was around $1.8 billion. And if you look at Chiliz market cap right now, guys, it's literally around the same levels. Are you guys starting to get the picture as to what I'm trying to share with you guys? So if we go back onto Chiliz, guys, this is playing as a level of resistance for us. If we are able to break above this, guys, we could shoot up very, very fast towards the upside, because the volume is there, the buying pressure is there, and tomorrow is when Chiliz does get listed. So let's say, if I'm not saying this is going to happen 100%, but there's a high likelihood because, like I said, Coinbase listing is very effective, especially for good projects. And if we were to see a move towards the upside for Chiliz tomorrow, when we do start trading around 7 a.m. PST, I'm sorry, PT, and if we were to have a rally like what's it called, AMP did, we could possibly go above. Guys, we even just give me 1 sec. We need to zoom out. We need to zoom out for you guys. Okay, let's bring this out for you guys. And there we go. So if we were to have the same type of move like AMP, this would mean we could go towards all-time high, guys. We could go above all-time high. This, in my opinion, it could not. There's a high, possibility that this could not happen because we might run into resistance and stuff like that. But if the buying pressure is very, very high, and on top of that, Bitcoin is heading towards the upside, then maybe, guys, it's not out of the books, and that would be absolutely insane. But I would not be surprised at all, guys. I would not be surprised at all if Chiliz does get back up to this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, or even above it, and get to the 62.5 cents mark. I would not be surprised at all, because Coinbase listing is very effective. And as you guys know, Chiliz is a very, very unique project. If you guys don't know, it has its own website, socios.com, where you can buy fan tokens for the biggest sport teams around the world. And you guys know the Euros are going on right now, and along with the Euros, I'm sorry, not Euros, like, you guys know how big the world of football is. So soccer in North America, if you're in North America, it's called soccer, and you can buy fan tokens for these big teams around the world, like FC Barcelona, Juventus, PSG, Atletico Madrid. So you can buy them, and what that does for you is not only are you just buying these tokens, you have the opportunity to vote for such team. Let's say the team can come up with fan votes, like what they want to see. If they want fans to vote for a kit, and you have some perks, exclusive perks. You get tickets, like discounts and stuff like that. But in order for you to purchase these fan tokens, guys, you need to have Chiliz first, and then you can purchase this. So this is a very, very unique. We have never seen this occur at all, and I am not surprised why we have been getting a lot of interest building up in Chiliz over the last year. I have been knowing about Chiliz for quite a while, when it was literally at its bottom. I sadly did not pick any up, but I do regret it till this day. But again, you don't win everything in this market. So Chiliz is definitely, it has a plus point. It has the first mover advantage. We have not really seen a project do this, before. And you guys, if you guys don't know, football/soccer has the biggest revenue, sports revenue, in the entire sports industry. The most revenue is generated in the soccer industry. So that is also a very big plus point. So, I do definitely believe a long-term future for Chiliz, and I believe it's here to stay. And, if we do bring out the measuring tool and see how far we have come down since its all-time highs, which we saw back in March of 94 cents, guys. We have pulled down quite a bit, 63.63%. But let's not forget, in just the last year alone, despite the fact that we are seeing the 63.63% corrections towards the downside, we're still up 2,200%. And, at the end of the day, I always mention, if this is your first time coming on my channel, guys, nothing is going to go up straight forever in this market. There's always going to be consolidation phases, and Bitcoin going towards the downside. And as you guys know, Bitcoin is a leading indicator of the entire market. So we need to have patience in this market. So as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose in the cryptocurrency markets, your patience will be your number one key to follow. And patience will reward you. Nothing is going to go up straight forever. I'm sorry to break it to you guys. This is just a reality you have to face. I keep it 100% realistic on this channel, and I'm sorry to break it to you, but you won't get rich overnight, 100%. But one thing I'm going to point out to you guys is that Chiliz has been accumulating within this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and let's hope that we break above this level of resistance. I believe we will be able to do that very easily and get back into the 61.8 and head towards this price target. We will see what happens, but everything is starting to look very, very nice for Chiliz. The volume is getting higher and higher, and I do expect some sort of bullish price momentum in the next 24 hours occur for Chiliz. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys can think happen for Chiliz in the next 24 hours, and do you guys think Chiliz can pull a move like AMP that we have seen in just the last couple days? Let me know in the comment section below. And if we are looking at and one thing I also want to point out to you guys, on 8th, right? I think we got listed around here for AMP. AMP did not have a skyrocketing thing on the same day. It had a rally towards the upside, as you guys can see, had a retracement. So, let's bring it out for you guys. So it had a, pump of 40%, had a retracement back towards the downside, and then it had another rally towards the upside. And if we bring out the measuring tool, guys, we had a rally of about 119%. So do not expect for Chiliz to just go up in straight one line on the day of the listing. We might see a correction occur, but let me know if you guys can see a possible, scenario like this play out for Chiliz. And looking at Bitcoin's price before we end this video, we need Bitcoin to close above 40K mark. If you guys are a regular follower on my channel, you guys know how important it is for Bitcoin to stay above $40,000. I have been mentioning this for quite a while, and right now we are below it, but let's hope we do close above 40K. We have done that for the last 2 days. Right now we are below 40K. We're currently trading at $38,700 mark, but as long as we do stay above $38,000, I am not bearish. But we could possibly see Bitcoin, if we do close below 38,000, there's a high likelihood that we could go to $36,145 mark, and this is a very crucial level of support for Bitcoin that I have been mentioning, and I do not want us to break below it. And also, I was reading that there is a CME futures gap that is around $37,500 mark that tends to be filled the majority of the time. So we could have a wick towards the downside, fill the gap, and then head towards the upside. So that is also a scenario. So that could possibly have some sort of effect on Chiliz price movement towards the upside, but I still am a strong believer that we might see some sort of bullish momentum do definitely occur for Chiliz in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And also, let me know if you guys want to see more Chiliz update, on a regular basis. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And thank you for taking your time out to watch my video. I really, really do appreciate you guys and all my regular viewers. You guys know I do this exactly for you guys. I care for you guys, and your support means the world to me. Come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel a lot, help my videos get to a wider audience, and helps the YouTube algorithm. So your support would be greatly appreciated. And with that being said, guys, stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.